So today I decided to buy 60 shares of TQQQ and I want to share with you why. So a lot of you guys saw that my previous video and all I've been focusing on is the NASDAQ market. So that's IXIC, and if you look at this on the 4-hour time frame, all we've been waiting for this entire time is for the NASDAQ market to pull back to the SMA line. Now that it established a support level, in very simple terms, it's a little bit more on the oversold side. It can still sell off, so let's not pretend that it can't. But because it's oversold enough, I decided to take a light enough position on TQQQ, which is a bull ETF. This goes up when the NASDAQ market goes up, and this goes down when the NASDAQ market goes down. So by buying 60 shares, this is less than a 10% position size. So again, an example would be if you are investing with $1,000, you're going in with less than $100. So with that example, again, it at least puts you in a position in which that you're able to tolerate. The great thing about this is that from where we're at as right now, if it does make an actual full recovery, which again, the markets tend to be more bullish than they are bearish, that's 22% for potential overall recovery. And that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Now that the NASDAQ market is on the oversold side, this is where it is that I wanted to make sure that I at least have some skin in the game. So if we do begin to indicate signs of recovery, we're able to add more and really step on the gas to our position and ultimately be able to lock in profits back at previous levels. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any questions and what top stock you're paying attention to as the market is a little bit more on the oversold side. Thank you.